Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Chris. I'm out in the Caliente garage and I just wanted to show you a project that I'm working on for my Honda Goldwing when I pull a trailer. This is a rear backup camera system that I have that I'm going to install on my Honda Goldwings. I recently did a video installing the Viofo webcam, and it's excellent for recording the front view, the rear views, and just in case something happens, you can always refer back to the footage on the Viofo. Well, in this project, I'm going to install a rear dash cam. If any of you pull a trailer and maybe you're tired of looking over your shoulder, or you might have an oversized trailer and you want to be able to see behind you without trying to look around your trailer, this may be a solution for you. It's a rear dash cam or a rear camera. You can use it for a backup camera. You can use it for monitoring your rear view. The monitor that I have, this is a 7-inch monitor, and this monitor has the ability to connect 4 cameras. You can use these in your cars, your automobiles. I'm going to install this on my motorcycle. Some of the things that came in the kit is the installation manual, and it gives you an illustration of the monitors, the rear camera. Also, you can get a side camera or billet cameras with this particular system, and it shows you how to get this set up in your automobile. One of the reasons why I purchased this particular system is that it's wireless. A lot of the rear backup camera systems are wired, so I decided to pick up a wireless camera system by Taddy Brothers. And again, you can put this on your automobiles, you can put this on your trucks if you're pulling a trailer, but I'm going to install this on my Honda Goldwing, and this is going to be the rear camera that I'm going to use on the trailer. This is a wireless camera, and I have to pair it to the monitor. So on the monitor itself, it comes with this cigarette adapter, and it powers on directly from the cigarette lighter. And the camera is wireless, so I don't have to worry about running wires to the trailer. My biggest obstacle would be getting power for the rear camera, which all is required is 12 volt DC. Again, I can plug this into a cigarette lighter, and that turns on the monitor. The mounting system, there's 2 ways I can mount this. It has a mounting bracket that I can unscrew off the side with these little screws that go in on the side. So I can put the bracket on this way, or I can mount it with a windshield suction. So I can slide this on like so, tighten it down, and now this mounts on the windshield. So this mount would actually go up, it'll go down, go up, down, and turn it sideways. So my biggest hurdle is trying to figure out how I want to mount the monitor on the Goldwing. Now they make this camera system, they make the monitor in different sizes. This is the 7-inch. They have it in I think a 5-inch, and they actually make this in a bigger size monitor. So they give you different varieties of sizes depending on your application. Comes with the sunshade, so when I mount this on the bike, I can put this sunshade on for glare. I can put it on or take it off. It just snaps right into the front of the camera. In front of the monitor. Slide it down. And now I have the sunshade. I have two options. I can mount it with the bracket, or I can mount it with the suction. I'm not sure how I want to mount this just yet. It comes with these antennas. These antennas actually come off. It comes with two antennas. Or it comes with these wired antennas that you can place in specific locations depending on your application. Now, I'm not going to be installing these antennas for the Honda Goldwing. I'm just going to use the wireless antennas that mounts on the top. I think the range on this particular unit is 150 feet. So Taddy Brothers actually have different types of monitors with different types of ranges depending on your application. So again, you can use this in a car, a truck. I'm gonna install this on my Honda Goldwing. So like I said, my biggest challenge would be finding a power outlet, and I think I'm going to connect this to the rear of the trailer and power it off of the 12-volt light on the back of the trailer. It comes with some hardware, comes with some additional screws, Allen wrench, some connectors for the electrical, installation instructions, additional antennas. And these cameras are actually, you can buy it in a kit or you can buy the cameras separately. So I want to bench test everything, make sure that the monitor works, and then I want to pair the cameras to the monitor and just verify that everything works before I install it on the Honda Goldwing trailer. Now, this is my 12-volt power supply with a cigarette adapter. I'm going to plug in my monitor, and I want to verify that the monitor comes on. I'm going to plug it in. I got a red light. As you can see, the monitor is on. It says no signal. I'm going to hit the cam button. The monitor is on, but it's not picking up a signal for the camera now. So we need to connect the backup camera to the monitor. So inside of the kit came this power cable along with the backup camera. It has an arrow. It's going to plug into the camera. I'm going to make sure I align the pins. Got two arrows. I'm going to push them together. Snap those in. You have a little red button here that says pairing switch. So before we can pair it, we need to verify that the camera actually works. So this is going to be the 12-volt DC power. I need to splice this, and then we're going to connect this to a battery and get the camera paired up to the monitor just to verify everything works. I'm going to take my wire splicers, and I want to splice these wires. I just want to verify that they work. Red will be my positive and black will be my negative. So next I'm going to take some alligator clips. I'm going to hook the red to my positive. I'm going to hook the black to the negative. And now I just need a 12-volt battery. I'm going to use this 12-volt battery. I'm going to take my multimeter, and I just want to verify that this battery has 12 volts. I'll turn on my unit. And I'm getting 12.24 volts. So we're going to hook the camera to the battery. I'm going to make sure that these ends does not touch. I'm going to hook my red to my positive. I'm going to hook the black to the negative. On the monitor, I'm going to go to the power button. M. I'm going to go to pairing. Pairing start. So I'm going to pairing switch. As you can see, the monitor actually came on. Wow, there it is. So the camera actually works. You guys can see. I'm going to turn off the power. I'm going to just go through the menu. And you can hook up 4 cameras. I'm just going to go to cam 1 since I just have 1 camera. And it has the ability to record. It has a record button, so I can record. It records audio as well as video, and it has a spot for a micro SD card here on the side. Has a slot on the side, and it has a spot for a SD, or you can use the micro SD adapter. Goes right in on the side, so you can use this unit actually to record when you're riding down the road. Goes in, comes out. So as you can see, the camera is working, and this thing has a range up to 150 feet. So now that I verified that the camera is working with the monitor, I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put the backup camera on the trailer. So looking at the rear of the trailer, I'm not sure how I want to mount this. I'm not sure if I want to mount it on the top or mount it on the bottom. My biggest thing is just getting power to connect to the camera. So this is going to be the rear camera for the backup camera. I just need to get power from the trailer. I just wanted to show you exactly where the camera is going to mount. So if you guys pull a trailer, if you're tired of looking over your shoulder, Maybe you want to see automobiles coming up behind you while you're sitting at the light, and you want to keep an eye on what's going on behind you without looking over your shoulder. This Taddy Brothers rear camera may be the solution. So stay tuned to my video. I'm gonna work on getting this installed, trying to get everything connected and figure out how I want to get the monitor set up on the Goldwing, and I will keep you guys posted. So stay tuned to this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and I will talk to you guys later. See you.